So for the last week or so, I've been getting ready the Sheer Faces Lash and Business Training Academy website, and this is the mobile version, and it looked so good. So I got all the products that I'm going to be having available right now launched and ready to go, so you can take a look. I do have information about the training, which is here, and you can take a look at the Classic Lash training that I have available, and look at that price, guys. You can't beat that. And then also I have other digital products that you can use to help start or to grow your lash business. Like the Lash Business Planner is bomb. You need that because there is like a lot of information in there. As you can see, it's over 50 pages. It talks about business foundation, marketing strategy, branding, service menu, all those type of things. So please go take a look at my website. I will include a link for it. And if you are interested in jumping into the lash business, then this is a great place for you to start.